Hello guys, welcome back to our channel for another vlog. Today is July 14th and it is officially day 2 of working on the nursery. We're painting today and that's kind of all we have to do actually.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, and then like building the crib and stuff, but let's lay down this tarp we got. This is called a tarp?
I guess so. Painter's tarp.
Yeah.
12 by
so
10.
we don't get any
paint
on the carpet. Lam just went to the basement to get a couple of things for the paint gallon. This is what the swatch looks like. If you guys don't remember, I know I showed it a long time ago. Super dusty on top. I just broke this hanger. I'm gonna use this to mix the paint. Ready to open her up. Ah! Do you see that? I think I hate this color. But going back now. Oh my god, I hate this so much.
What, the color?
Yeah.
Why?
Because this is not what I wanted at all. I should have got rid of the first one.
It was like darker?
Yeah. It was like literally orange. It's okay. It's a baby. It's not going to go. Here goes.
There goes nothing.
Here goes nothing.
Oh, I say, I was like...
Wait till it goes on first?
Yeah.
That be cute?
Facts.
It's really hot in this room because the window is open. But we are pretty much done painting the nursery, which is crazy. Lam is down here, as you can see, getting some finishing touches, and we're gonna take the paint off in a second. I mean, sorry, the tape off. We just did like a light second coat of paint.
Hey, Libby. I painted your room, alright?
I know a second ago you guys saw me crying. I wasn't crying, but
Excuse me?
not that you guys never see me cry before. But I was not happy with this color once we opened up the can of paint. But once it dried, this is literally exactly what I wanted. It's so beautiful. It's like a rusty orange, but like kind of like a pastel. I just love it so much. And you like it too, right, honey?
Yeah.
We just took tape off and it looks really good, but there's a few spots that we kind of
Pretty much like taped off. We taped when we taped it off.
yeah, like we taped on the wall instead of the ceiling, I guess, so it kind of is some missing spots. But other than that, good job for right now, guys. I love it. It looks great. You can't wait to put the crib in here. I think the colors are gonna look so great. Man's got tape on his foot. It's been a long time later, and Lam and I did some things. We finished painting the nursery. I started to repot this holly plant, but it looked really bad, so Lam came in and saved it. I need to add more dirt, but I'll do that later. I also attempted to put this baby gate up, and I got frustrated, and then once again Lam came in and saved it. And then finally I broke down a whole bunch of these boxes, because as you can see, this is a lot of stuff. I need to bring everything upstairs, but once again I'll do that later. We are gonna go for a walk because the sunset shouldn't be too hot. And we need some exercise. I feel like I'm in I'm in a mood. Like I'm annoyed at everything. But thank goodness I have Lam, because he's just like making it all better. But anyway, ready?
Yeah.
Lam and I just got back. Well, not just, we've been back for a while now from our walk. It was a nice one. We did 4 miles. Definitely feeling it in my back though. But we also just made dinner. He made steak. Well, he's making steak. And we have some broccoli and cauliflower, and I made some nice salads for us. So I'm definitely excited to enjoy this. I'm also editing the vlog for yesterday. I just started, but it seems really exciting so far because I have a lot of footage. We did the whole ice cream trail. I mean, you guys probably already saw. But then, I don't know, what time is it? Oh, it's almost 11. I don't really know what else I'm doing today. The day's practically over. I might get in bed and fold a couple loads of laundry because it's kind of it's been ready for me to do.
And there's these huge birds around the beach here, and they're literally like, their wingspan has to be like 6 feet.
What? They fly?
And DJ said, why is there a pterodactyl?
On FaceTime with Savannah. Miss my girl. I say this every day, but I miss my girl, and I'm going to talk to her for the rest of the night, and then I'm going to shower and get in bed. But I just wanted to come in and say good night. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We painted the nursery finally, which is so exciting. I think tomorrow we might start building the crib, but if not, we'll do that one day soon. But for the most part, I think I'm going to say it. I'm not going to edit it out because I always do. I think I'm going to actually start cleaning the house tomorrow. Because I always say that and then I don't end up cleaning the house. I'm like, shit, let me cut that out. So yes, I think because there's just boxes and baby stuff everywhere, and everything is a mess. And like I said, we're having our drive-by shower pretty soon. I mean, it's not that soon, but if I keep living my life the way I am, it's going to be tomorrow. So good night, guys. I will talk to you guys tomorrow, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Bye.